Looking for the ultimate in home security and convenience? Best Smart Door Locks combine advanced technology with modern design, letting you lock and unlock your doors with a smartphone, keypad, fingerprint, or even voice commands. Perfect for busy households, smart homes, or anyone who wants peace of mind, these locks offer keyless entry, remote access, and enhanced safety features to keep your home secure and hassle-free. Starting at number 1, ULTRALOQ Bolt Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The ULTRALOQ Bolt Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a feature-packed keyless deadbolt designed to make home access both secure and convenient. It supports multiple unlock methods including AI-driven fingerprint ID, passcodes, app remote control, and voice control with Apple Home, HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, all without needing a separate hub thanks to built-in Wi-Fi. You can manage access remotely, share temporary or scheduled codes, and enjoy smart automation with auto lock, unlock, and real-time alerts. Certified to ANSI BHMA security standards and built from durable zinc alloy, it's easy to install DIY style and backed by robust app support. Number 2, eufy Security Smart Lock C30. The eufy Security Smart Lock C30 is an easy-to-install, keyless Wi-Fi deadbolt designed for front door security and smart home convenience. With built-in Wi-Fi, no bridge required, you can lock, unlock, and manage access remotely via the eufy Security app, receive real-time notifications, and view event history right from your phone. It supports multiple entry options: physical key, voice control, Alexa, Google Assistant, durable keypad buttons, and app control, and features auto lock to secure your door automatically. Durable and weather resistant with a BHMA Grade 3 security rating, long-lasting battery life, and simple DIY installation in about 15 minutes, the C30 combines everyday practicality with reliable performance. Number 3, Schlage Encode Deadbolt Lock. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi. Deadbolt is a secure, keyless front door lock with built-in Wi-Fi that lets you lock and unlock from anywhere using the Schlage Home app. No hub required. It supports up to 100 unique access codes for family and guests, provides remote monitoring, lock history, and customizable alerts, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient voice control. The lock features a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, advanced encrypted security, and a BHMA certified high residential security rating for peace of mind. With easy DIY installation and auto lock options, it's ideal for smart homes and rental hosts, including Airbnb integration for guest access codes. Number 4, TEEHO TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock. The TEEHO TE001 is a budget-friendly, keypad-operated smart deadbolt designed for secure, keyless front door access without the need for Wi-Fi or an app. It supports up to 20 unique passcodes for family members plus a one-time PIN for guest entry, and features auto lock that can be set to engage 10 to 99 seconds after closing for added peace of mind. The lock includes anti-peeping password protection, a backlit keypad, a low battery indicator, and IP54 weather resistance for reliable everyday use. Easy to install with just a screwdriver and backed by customer support. It combines straightforward security with practical convenience. Number 5, eufy C220 Security Smart Lock. The eufy Security Smart Lock C220 is a fingerprint keyless entry smart deadbolt with built-in Wi-Fi that lets you secure and manage your front door from anywhere without needing an extra hub. It offers AI-enhanced fingerprint recognition, unlocking in Palm 3's multiple unlocking methods including app control, keypad, physical key, voice assistance, Alexa, Google, and remote access via the eufy Security app. With up to 8 months of battery life, BHMA Grade 3 certification for durability, and IP53 weather resistance, it delivers reliable everyday home security. The lock supports real-time notifications, access management, temporary codes, and easy DIY installation, making it a smart, versatile choice for modern homes.